I made this cute little deal where I said, if you use my sound, I'll comment on your video. I thought maybe 20 people would use it, maybe 50. But nope, y'all turned my life
into a living hell
because the sound blew up, and suddenly over 1,000 shorts were made overnight. I was sitting there speedrunning comments like it was an Olympic sport. My thumbs were crying, my phone was overheating, and even my Wi-Fi was tapping out like, bro, please. But the real pain? The Robux. The Robux. I told you guys I'd reward some of you for using the sound, and you did not hold back. I was giving out 10,000 here, 20,000 there, 50,000 to someone who didn't even say thank you. By the end of the night, I had basically donated almost 1 million Robux like I was the off-brand Mr. Beast of Roblox. I didn't even realize I was broke until I checked my balance and physically aged 10 years. So, since my wallet is already crying and my thumbs are already destroyed, I'm doing it one last time. If you subscribe and use this sound, I'll comment on your video again. Here's your last chance.